Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. First thing I'd like us to do is to know what Bybit is. So Bybit is a popular crypto trading app that offers users a wide range of features to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. The app is easy to use with a clean and modern design that makes it visually appealing. So now that we know what the Bybit application is about, let's hop into launching the Bybit app itself. So here we are. Now, how do we withdraw from Bybit to bank account? From this screen or from this homepage, head over to the segment. Of course, there are a lot of things going on here where you see that complete verification to deposit, and when that, then the next thing you're going to find is verify now. So just right below the verify now button, you're going to find Bybit Earn, Web3, card, withdraw hub, invite friends, copy trading, trading bot, and more. Now go ahead and click on more. Once you click on more, it's going to take you to this window. Now after the segment that has recommended, you're going to see the next category, which is buy crypto, and under buy crypto you're going to find deposit, buy crypto, P2P trading, and fiat deposit. Now go ahead and click on P2P trading, and it's going to open up the P2P trading window. So once we get in there, I'm going to show you what to do. So as you can see, it's coming right up. All right, I'm just going to click on this acknowledge. All right, so right here you're going to find the buy tab and you're going to find the sell tab. Now because you want to withdraw from Bybit to bank accounts, you're going to have to head over to sell. All right, because you want to sell your coin so that you can get the money into your Bybit account, just right into your bank account. Okay, so right under the sell tab, going to have to select the token. All right, you're gonna have to select the token or the coin that you want to make this transaction in, either USDT, USDC, BTC, or even ETH. That's the Ethereum. Now right below the coins, you're going to find the amount option. That's the amount tab, and you're also going to find all payments method tab. So go ahead and click on all payments method. All right, and once you click on all payments method, it's going to take you to this window here that says all, and then it says bank transfer, a bank, you have ABA, you have ACA, ACB, you have ACLEDA, up to they're actually a lot more here. Actually a lot more. So if you want to use if you want to transfer to your bank, so go ahead and click on bank transfer, and once you click on bank transfer, go ahead and click on the confirm button. Of course, also you're going to see that it's going to be reflected, so it's no more all payments method, it's now strictly in bank transfer. So right here you're going to see the people that are willing to buy your coin, that's USDT. So you see how it is right now. So you see how people you see how much people are willing to buy. All right, so once you select anyone, let's say this person, you have 19,000 USDT. Okay, so you can just click on that. In once you click on this, that's if you really want to trade with this person, go ahead and click on the person, and once you click on the person, it's going to take you to the window where you can now make and complete your transaction. Of course, once your transaction has been completed, you're going to see that your money is going to be deposited into your Bybit account, into the bank account that you have added as a payment method in Bybit. So right here, I can't do this because I've not completed my KYC or identity verification. But if you have not done that, go ahead and click on check now, because until you complete your KYC verification, you will not be able to use this feature. But meanwhile, once you click on this person or any person that you choose to transact with, you click on that, then go ahead and enter your bank details that you want to get the money in. Once you do that, that's just going to be, once it has been completed, you're going to be deposited rightly by Bybit. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can withdraw from Bybit to bank account. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.